and welcome back to TechShortsToday.com. Today we are not only talking about your data but also about your financial freedom. So we are diving deeper into the usage of data and how it can be helpful to achieve your financial freedom. So now you might be wondering, data and for your personal finance, how is that even possible? So don't worry, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will be 100% sure of achieving that understanding of how powerful data analytics and some tools can be to achieve your financial freedom, and how powerful data analytics, how data can be useful in mastering your personal finance. So stay tuned. Why data analytics matters. So think of this in such a way that we are living in such an era where we produce a lot of data, much more than ever before. So this is why data analytics is also very important in whatever field, whether it be in finance. By harnessing the power of data, you can dig deeper into your spending habits and track all of your expenses, make informed decisions, and take control of your future. So, number one, tracking and analyzing your spending. So, this is the step one, and here comes the role of data analytics. So, recording every spending habit of yours would be helpful in analyzing where you are actually overspending and where you can curtail your expenses. So therefore there are so many tools which comes in handy. By keeping an eye on this, you will be able to take your spending habits into your control. Creating your personalized budget. The second step is to create your own very own personalized set of budget depending upon your requirements, your amount of money you have in your hand, and these things can be done in on a customized basis, as everyone has another set of financial goals. So it is always a good idea to make something which is workable for you. It is not a one size fit all kind of thing, it should be tailor made for you. So data analytics helps you to allocate all your money into the right position and make sure that every dollar or every rupee is well spent. But what about predictive future? So data can be helpful in predicting your future expenses. That is also which you can do. And when it is able to predict, so you will be more often sure to prepare for them. So no more financial surprises. You can be ready for everything what is coming your way. Optimizing your investments using visualization. Now let's talk about investments. Data analytics is not only helpful in controlling your expenses but putting your money to the right place, making good decisions when it comes to investments. And this means better returns and smarter risk management. Next is debt management. So, how data analytics can be useful? There are multiple methods to do it, and one is being how to finalize which debt to pay off first. So, based upon your priorities, you can choose any one of the following. One is the snowball method, the second one is avalanche method. So, these two methods can be very useful in managing your debts. And to decide that which method to choose from, you can use our data analytics, and with this you will be on the road to debt free life within no time. The next step is goal setting and planning. So you can and things like that. So keeping a visual account of those is very helpful in reducing reducing the risk and increasing the our credit score, which will help you to get easier loans in future. And for a very important information is that this credit score also helps you in lowering down your interest rates. The last but not the least is to expense forecasting and tax management. So you can use data analytics to do both of these activities, and it is very helpful. And when you take the help of data analytics, then it takes the guesswork out of your finances. So it is always very helpful. And once you use that, you will be amazed on how you will be able to save. So there you have it, folks. Data analytics is not only a tool which is helpful in achieving your educational goals or KPIs, but it is also your financial GPS. And when you use data analytics for this very purpose, your goals will be very much in your reach. So I hope it helps. So now you know we can master our personal finances using data analytics as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.